YouTube? It's Crypto Cuts with another haircut video. So we have a all even haircut all around with a mid taper. First thing you want to do is you want to lift all the hair off the scalp, making sure everything is easy for the teeth of the blade to follow through. So I have a 2-blade on right now, just cutting everything down, make sure everything is even, and then we're going to start the taper process. Making sure you follow the hair growth pattern. Now my client doesn't have waves like that, you know what I'm saying, like heavy waves, but I'm still following the pattern. Starting off my back taper without my trimmers, you have the lever closed and I'm setting my bar guideline, going up with the lever open, about a 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to follow that up with the 1 guard open, actually with the 1 guard closed, excuse me, and then I'm going to go with the 1.5 guard closed, trying to flick out all that boat. Once I got that line out, I'm going to go with my 0.5 guard, taking out that middle guideline, and then I'm going to go back down with the lever closed, playing with the lever, getting that ball guideline out, making sure my taper is blurry as possible. Same steps apply to the other side of the taper area. Make sure y'all detail your tapers before y'all put the line on, but even after you put the line on, you can always go back and detail your work. No, I didn't get the 2 parts of the vertical bars, but what I do is I set up my vertical bars first, and then I attack the front line. I'm hitting that joint from the middle, making my way to one side, making my way to the other side, making sure that joint is straight, crispy, making sure my client happy. Finish with that lineup, you want to make sure that you always hit that joint with the razor. The razor finish in black barber, black culture barber, whatever you want to put it. Some people are not going to like the way I put it, but that razor is like, you know what I'm saying, the finishing touch, the finishing piece to, you know what I'm saying, a man's happiness in a chair. So, you know what I'm saying, make sure you put that razor on it, make sure you don't cut them, make sure that joint look crispy. this is the final finish. This is a 2-blade wave cut, mid taper, real crispy. You're gonna be walking out satisfied. If y'all like the video, if y'all like the haircut, leave a comment, like, subscribe. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. More content on the way. Crypto Cuts.